Manual transmissions have been an integral part of the automotive world for decades. Without a transmission, our cars would either stall at low speeds or spin out of control at high speeds. The key components include the input shaft, output shaft, and countershaft, working together to transmit power. The gears provide different speed ratios, allowing you to select the appropriate gear for various driving conditions. The clutch connects and disconnects the engine from the transmission, enabling smooth gear shifts. Synchronizers play a vital role by matching the speeds of the gears and output shaft, preventing jarring shifts. Starting your car and shifting gears is a choreographed sequence of disengaging the clutch, selecting the gear, and re-engaging. Lower gears provide increased torque for acceleration, allowing you to harness the engine's power efficiently. Higher gears enable efficient cruising at high speeds, optimizing fuel economy and reducing engine strain. The engineering ingenuity behind manual transmissions is a true marvel, a testament to human innovation and problem-solving. Mastering the art of driving a manual transmission vehicle brings a sense of satisfaction and connection to the machine. Embrace the inner workings of manual transmissions and gain a newfound appreciation for the engineering marvels that make our vehicles move.